Hi there, check out the ANDY Star Wall Mirror with a brushed nickel finish designed for modern bathrooms. This 30 by 36-inch rounded rectangle mirror features a sturdy stainless steel silver metal frame and no distortion, Form HD floating glass for crystal clear reflection. Its sleek design includes a thick 1-inch deep frame with softly rounded corners that add elegance and style to any vanity. The durable 9 MDF backboard and reinforced D-ring hanging clips make installation quick and secure, supporting up to 50 kilograms. This mirror's large size helps open up your space by reflecting more of your bathroom, perfect for horizontal or vertical arrangements. The brushed nickel finish complements modern hardware, adding a touch of class and sophistication. If you want a high-quality, minimalist mirror that enhances your bathroom's look, this is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.